finally going to mock up my whole front grille with the radiator and condenser. Hi everyone, and welcome to the channel about kit cars and other car topics. If you like what you see, please subscribe and hit the notification buttons. So as you know, I've been dealing with the nemesis when it comes to putting the stainless steel brackets together with the air conditioning condenser and the radiator and the grill and such. And so I think I'm finally past that. I'm going to mock everything up. I'm just going to temporarily throw the grill on the car just to see what it looks like. And but I think it's kind of a milestone to kind of put this to bed and move on from this. So we'll go ahead and mock it all up, see hopefully if we can get the hinges working on this, and go from there. Now we are having an issue with the hinges because these hinges are a newer version. It's not aligning with the way the manual is talking about doing stuff. And so I need to verify the exact way they want this to go together, because of course it also deals with the alignment of the hood and such. So we'll leave those off for now, and we're still gonna mock this thing up and see how it goes. Well, this looks freaking awesome. I will say this has been one of the hardest part of the builds because I have the air conditioning system in there with that extra radiator. If that extra radiator wasn't in there, things would be way easier. But this has just been a big pain in the ass with those stainless steel brackets. But this is just, you know, hanging on there basically. But this thing is looking amazing. And you can see, you know, I'm going to have to, once it's adjusted, there's still not a lot of room there. It's very, very small. So, system's coming along. I'm actually working out a tech support issue because I installed this exactly where it's supposed to be, and this is in the way. So, haven't heard back from them on that yet. I did run my new nice EFI cables. I haven't permanently installed them, but I have them going across the car. Then I'm going to be popping in a electric fuel pump here. Hopefully this is an okay area to do it, and then it will go into my filter there, which I've painted black. Looks nice. So we're getting some pretty good stuff done. I still need to put my charcoal canister in there, and we got the HVAC dryer, got to put that in there. So it's really coming along, but this is just beautiful. Oh, and also, if you notice, there is no Corvette. The Corvette is officially gone. It is sold. It's a little bittersweet because I actually enjoyed the car, but I can't have two hot rods slash muscle cars, so I sold that, and I'm probably gonna sell this car too, actually, and then get something newer. Put both of them together and get something newer. So, but man, this is really phase 2 is really starting to kick in. So appreciate it. Have a great day.